My background is so raggedy, but it is what it is. So welcome back to my channel. I am Ashley Sade. And I'm going to show y'all how I did the spring twist. Nobody asked for it, but I'm redoing my perimeter, so I figured I will show y'all. So yeah, so it's 3 packs of this. 1, 2, 3. It took me 1 whole of these, and then maybe took like, I'm gonna say like 1.5, 2. The only reason I say that is because I have 1B and I have 2, and I had to mix these together, so I used a full 1. Yeah, I got a lot of colors going on because I'm having more 1, so I just told them to grab a 2 and a 1B instead of just using like the full 1B. I just went ahead and mixed the 2 and the 1B together, so I don't really know how much I used, but what I'm doing now, I used 2 strands, and at first I was unraveling them, and then I realized like it's no point. So there are different methods on how to do this. You can do the rubber band method, you can do the way that people do it when they do Havana, or what are those things called? Havana, or y'all know the other twist, Marley twist, like how they, you know how they, I'll insert the clip if I can. But the way I do it is I braid my hair down a little bit. I braid my hair down a little bit, and then I crochet my hair in underneath the braid, and then yeah, I crochet my hair under the braid, and then I twist. So I'm using Shine and Jam, and again, there are multiple ways to do this. I'm not saying that my way is the right way, but I also like, this is the way that I've gotten like down packed with, because I did these, I'm gonna say I did these on Sunday. I finished Monday. It did not take long to do. I just stopped. And you know how sometimes when you stop, you know what I'm saying, you just kind of get caught up. So I shouldn't have stopped. If I want to stop, I would have finished. It would have been finished maybe in like 4 hours. I don't know. Don't get me lying. But you want to braid your hair down a good amount, and you want to make sure it's in the middle of the square, and you also want to make sure it's tight, because once you put that crochet needle under it and pull the hair through, it loosens up your part. I do make sure that my pieces are even. I don't put my crochet in any specific kind of way, meaning, you know, I don't make sure I do it up and down. I don't make sure I do it sideways. I just get it in there. So I don't do the rubber band method because when I did my passion twist in the past, I feel like the rubber bands, you could see them, and I'm pretty sure you could probably see my braid, but it's not as noticeable as like a shiny rubber band. I don't like that. One thing I did learn from doing my passion twist is that you need to go with, you need to twist with the way that the hair is going. So, I mean, I haven't really figured it out yet, but I just start off going to the left and then go to the right. And then for my real hair, I learned that it is best to keep your real hair kind of natural, because if you do it bone straight, it ain't gonna look right. So I've been using Niabrobi with some grease, and I also use gel, but since I'm doing it over, I haven't really touched the gel yet. I've just been doing a little Niabrobi and a little grease just to give it some moisture and to get it, you know, a little lubricated so it ain't looking dry. And then honestly, you can just start. And then y'all, pretty much if the twist is twisting, it don't look like, you know, janky or discombobulated, you know that you're doing it right. But I'm the type of person that kind of like gotta throw a hairstyle in, see if I like it, and then that's when I'm like, okay, I like it, so I need to, you know, redo it. So that's why I'm just going through and doing the perimeter. I did not do this one over just because I don't feel like it looks that bad, but like these other ones, baby, not good at parting, so a parting video will never happen. Yeah, the parting is trash, just letting you know. And that's how I look. Like, it look real good, don't it? Look nice and cute, look like salon grade. Take down is easy too, by the way, if anybody is wondering. I mean, it's a twist, so all you're doing is pretty much untwisting. But if you're in a situation where you need to tighten this up, just take it and wrap it around like you doing a faux lock, and then start twisting. I only did it twice because I don't want it to be too tight. Like, I don't want it to hurt. And boom, you see what I'm saying? The root tight. So y'all, that's it. It's nice and easy. Nice and easy. And then it's pretty. Y'all, they look so natural. Like, they look like my natural hair.